The managing director of the Zimbabwe Electricity Transmission Distribution Company, Abel Gurupira, has been dismissed with immediate effect following a power outage that plunged Parliament into darkness while President Emmerson Mnangagwa delivered his State of the Nation address on Tuesday, Crime Watch reported on Wednesday. Sanabida mashoko ari kuda panguva yananyogwa achinzi Zesa boss fired over embarrassing power blackout. Jerry Mnangagwa wasona and subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team now knows them from Chizi. According to reports, Energy Minister July Moyo instructed the company's group CEO, Cletus Nyachoe, to remove Gurupira, and an internal investigation into the incident has now been launched. A ZEDDC insider speaking on condition of anonymity said, "This blackout was entirely unacceptable. The leadership wanted immediate accountability, and Gurupira's removal was a direct result of that failure." The outage forced President Mnangagwa to continue his address by torchlight, sparking widespread embarrassment and criticism across the country. As of Wednesday, Minister July Moyo had yet to release an official statement regarding the incident. Though mashoko aripo muri yeZimbabwe onekwa kunzi awa the managing director wekuzivisa panguva ino odismisswa with immediate effect after President Emmerson Mnangagwa awa wanyadziswa vopedzisira kusvika pakupedzisa his sona address. Chiitiko chakanyadzisa nemapictures mavhidhiyo atinoona pasocial media zvonekwa kunzi chiitiko chichiitika kechipiri chiitiko chiri kunyasa kuonekwa kunzi mismanagement munyika yeZimbabwe yazonyanya kuti aiwa pamwe pekutanga vanhu vaingofunga kuti pamwe kuti maybe it was just a mistake, but panguva ino zvichiramba zvichienderera zvasi kuonekwa kunzi hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Tudze mafunguro enyu ndikudei pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Ndakume section medu, subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.